Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Arthritic golf grips is probably one of the most sought-after golfing equipment for players with arthritis, offering a comfortable and secure grip that reduces pain and improves your swing. This video will review the top Arthritic golf grips on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and overall value to help you find the perfect grip to alleviate discomfort and enhance your golfing experience. Number 5. Yamato Arthritic Golf Grips. Experience a revolutionary grip designed for comfort and control. It's perfect for golfers with arthritis or other conditions affecting their grip strength. The unique nubbed texture encourages a light grip, maximizing anti-slip strength and improving your swing. Enjoy enhanced control and confidence with every shot. Made from thick, shock-absorbing rubber, it provides exceptional comfort during your game. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to a more enjoyable golfing experience. The slightly larger size and reduced taper give you added confidence and control. It's designed to make gripping your clubs easier and more comfortable. With a jumbo size, 0.58 core size, 10.50 inch length, and weighing 65 g, it's perfectly balanced for optimal performance. We stand behind our product with a 100% money-back guarantee. Purchase with confidence, knowing your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It offers an oversized design and superior shock absorption. The enhanced anti-slip grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, even in various weather conditions. If you need a comfortable and reliable grip in all types of weather, this is the one for you. What people say. They're very comfortable and do a great job. These new grips were easy to install, they have a nice feel. Will reordering for other club sets, very comfortable with non-slip texture. Number 4. Majek Jumbo Golf Grips. Experience superior comfort and control on the course with these oversized golf grips. Designed for a better grip, even for those with larger hands or arthritis. These jumbo-sized grips are 1/8 inch thicker than standard grips, providing extra cushioning and support. Say goodbye to hand fatigue. They're made with a luxurious, high-quality velvet material for exceptional feel and tackiness in all weather conditions. Enjoy enhanced grip and control. The extra thickness and cushioning make them ideal for golfers with arthritis or other hand conditions. Play longer and more comfortably. This set includes 13 grips, enough to replace all your clubs. Get the most out of your game with this complete set. Each grip weighs 76.5 grams, providing a substantial feel in your hands. Enjoy the perfect balance and control. The round shape offers a classic and comfortable feel. It's the perfect grip for any golfer looking for enhanced performance. What we like. This option provides a jumbo-sized grip with a heavier weight for enhanced stability and control. The velvet material offers a luxurious feel and improved grip. If you prefer a heavier, more substantial grip with a premium feel, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Easy install on my kitchen table with a $10 tape solvent kit. I love the slightly bigger grip and the soft feel. These grips are slightly larger, making it easier to grip the club if you have larger hands or suffer from arthritis. They have good feel and it was surprisingly easy to remove the old and install these. The size is comfortable. Number 3. Tacki-Mac Arthritic No. 27 Grips. Experience enhanced comfort and control on the course with these specially designed golf grips. Their larger size and round shape provide superior stability and reduce hand fatigue. These grips are designed to be 3/32 of an inch larger than standard grips. This extra size provides more surface area for your hands, reducing pressure points and improving your grip. Tacki-Mac's Arthritic No. 27 grips are perfect for golfers with arthritis or other hand conditions. The extra cushioning and ergonomic design help to reduce pain and improve your swing. This bundle provides 13 grips, giving you plenty to regrip your clubs. It's a great value for golfers looking to upgrade their equipment. Each grip weighs only 65 grams, making them lightweight and easy to install. They are also built to last, providing reliable performance round after round. The round shape of these grips provides a consistent feel and promotes a natural grip. This helps to improve your accuracy and consistency on the course. What we like. It's an oversized grip that is lightweight and easy to handle. The round shape provides a classic feel for a comfortable swing. If you value a lightweight yet oversized grip, this option is ideal. What people say. Grips have great texture and fits my hand perfectly. The serrated surface is both comfortable and long-lasting. Great grip. These are very nice grips, Jumbo works for me. Number 2. Tacki-Mac Arthritic Grip Kit. This kit makes replacing your golf grips easier than ever. Everything you need is included for a smooth, comfortable installation. It comes with 13 oversized, serrated grips designed for added comfort and control. They're perfect for those with arthritis. Each grip is paired with a double-sided tape strip for secure adhesion. The included clamp makes installation a breeze. A sharp hook blade is provided to easily remove your old grips. Please keep it away from children. Simple, step-by-step instructions guide you through the entire process. You'll have new grips installed in no time. This all-in-one kit contains everything you need for a successful grip replacement. Enjoy a more comfortable and confident golf game. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for easy installation. The serrated design offers enhanced grip and control. If you want a convenient and complete solution for replacing your grips, this is the best option. What people say. These grips are awesome. I play 200 rounds a year, no kidding. I actually bought another set of irons and realized that I had over 400 rounds with the grips, so had to buy another set because they are much better than the ping grips for comfort and tackiness. These puppies will never slip out of your hands even on the wettest days, and I play year-round. If the course is open for play, then I am playing. Mid-sized grips have a great feel, easy install. Just be sure to really soak grips in tape and put on quickly. Used this product before. Very satisfied with the product. Number 1. Karma Arthritic Jumbo Golf Grip. Experience a game-changer for golfers with arthritis. It provides superior comfort and control, making every swing easier. The unique textured surface improves your grip and hand sensation. It's designed to help those with arthritis maintain a firm, comfortable hold. It's significantly larger than standard grips, reducing pressure and strain on your hands and wrists. This makes it ideal for those with arthritis or other hand conditions. The thicker rubber construction absorbs shock better than standard grips. This helps reduce discomfort and fatigue during your round. It weighs 82 grams and has a Jumbo Plus 5 32-inch size, with a 10.5 length and 0.580 core size. Sold individually. With this grip, you can enjoy a more comfortable and confident golf game. Rediscover the joy of playing. What we like. This grip is extra oversized for a relaxed grip and features a nubbed surface for enhanced feel. Its shock-absorbing properties reduce hand fatigue. If you need maximum comfort and shock absorption, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The larger grip are comfortable for my large hands and I like the feel. Haven't played around yet, but after putting one grip on my sand wedge, the club fit more comfortably in my old hands. Grips well and are very durable. Great when playing in wet weather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.